Good morning aspirants, we are back in Biology Nagari with a very important topic of human physiology, which is digestive system. In our previous lecture, the lecture number 1, we have introduced with the digestive system, and in our next lecture, which is lecture number 2, we are going to discuss the mouth and the tongue, the detailed study of mouth, lips, gums and the tongue. So let's start from mouth. What is mouth? Mouth is a opening of a buccal cavity guarded by two lips, the upper lips and the lower lips. Okay, there are two lips, upper lips and the lower lips. And whole mouth is guarded by upper lips and lower lips. The upper lips contains sebaceous gland, and the lower lip, or we can say that the inner portion of lip contains serous gland. कहने का मतलब है ये जो माउथ है ये लिप्स से गार्डेड होते हैं पूरी तरीके से. The outer lip contains the sebaceous gland and the inner lip contains the serous gland. The serous gland is nothing new but the modification of mucus gland. Mucus gland ही आगे चल के serous gland में modify हो चुका है. So serous gland is a modification of which gland? Mucus gland. And we know that mucus gland secretes mucus. Okay. After that we study about the gums which are inside the mouth. There are gums in which the body part or the middle part of teeth are embedded. The teeth are embedded in a jaw socket. So the teeth are called ecodont. And when we talk about lips, there are two lips, upper lips, lower lips. The outer lips contain the sebaceous gland, the lower lip contains the serous gland, which is the modification of mucus gland, which secretes mucus. After that, jaws. What are jaws? Yes, the teeth is finally embedded into the jaws. There are two jaws in human being, or we can say that there is one pair jaw in human being. The upper jaw, which is flexible. No, here the student make the mistake. The upper jaw is immovable. It cannot move. Only the lower jaw has the ability to move. Okay, so it is very important to take care about the upper jaw and lower jaw. That upper jaw is immovable. Immovable means cannot move. हिल नहीं सकता, movement नहीं कर सकता. But the lower jaw can only move. इसको हम movement करा सकते हैं. उसके बाद हम बकल कैविटी which is also known as oral cavity पर देखें तो टीथ और चीक, अंदर की तरफ से देखें तो टीथ और चीक के बीच में जो स्पेस है that is called vestibuli. It is a temporary store of food. कुछ देर के लिए हम फूड को स्टोर करते हैं ड्यूरिंग मेस्टिकेशन. उस जगह को वेस्टिबुली कहते हैं और ये जगह है कहाँ? हमारे चीक्स और जॉस गम्स हैं उसके बीच में. ओके, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज बकल वेस्टिबुली. After that, when we talk about the roof of buccal cavity, so the roof of buccal cavity is made up by palates, or we can also say that the roof of buccal cavity is called palates. Now, there are two types of palate, hard palate and a soft palate. So palate is also of two types, the hard palate and the soft palate. Now, why we are saying that hard palate? Because these hard palates are made up of two bones which are maxilla and palatine. So, the hard palate is made up of two bones, maxilla and palatine. In case of rabbit, there are three bones which makes the hard palate. The premaxilla, the maxilla and the palatine. But in human beings, only two bones are responsible for the formation of hard palate, which are maxilla and palatine. Now, second, soft. We can know that the soft means there is absence of bone. There is no bone present in the soft palate. Now, the question arises: if there is no bone, what is there actually? Actually, there is mucus, fibrous connective tissue, and squamous epithelial tissues. These three forms the soft palate. But there there is no bone, not a single bone. That's why this is called soft palate. And on another side, that was called hard palate because of 2 bones. And in case of rabbit, there was 3 bones. One premaxilla was added in it. Now, we have cleared that water palates. Palates are the roof of buccal cavity. There are 2 types of palates, the hard palate and the soft palate. Hard palate is made by 2 bones, maxilla and palatine. And in soft palate, by the name we are very much familiar that there is no bone, only mucus, fibrous connective tissue and squamous epithelial tissue. These are only present. Now, when we talk about the soft palate, there is no bone. This is the point to remember, the main difference between the hard palate and the soft palate. After that, we will talk about tongue. जीभ की बात करेंगे. Tongue is a muscular organ which helps to taste the food which we eat. tongue ही नहीं होता तो पनीर अच्छा है कि खराब हमें पता नहीं चलता. So the tongue is a muscular organ which is present inside the buccal cavity. Now when we study about tongue in detail, tongue is divided into 2 parts. The 2/3 part which is outside and the 1/3 part of tongue is inside the buccal cavity which we cannot see. Okay, so the 1/3 part of tongue is attached by hyoid bone which is also known as tongue bone. 1/3 पार्ट को पकड़ा रहता है जीभ की हड्डी. अब जीभ की हड्डी बोलने का मतलब ये मत समझिए कि जीभ में हड्डी होती है. That is a bone which holds the tongue. Okay, that hyoid bone holds the tongue. That is only 1/3 part. But the 2/3 part is freely movable, जो कि हमें दिखता है. हम लोग निकाल के इसको चिढ़ा सकते हैं कर दे. ठीक है, that is 2/3 part of tongue. Now, tongue contains papillas, the circular structures, and some of the papilla contains taste buds which help us to detect the taste. Now, the papilla are of 4 types basically, but in human beings 3 types of papillas are active, means functional, and one is inactive, means vestigial. The fungiform papilla, the filiform papilla, and the circumvallate papilla. These 3 papillas are present in humans. The 4th, which is foliate papilla, is vestigial in human. Vestigial means non-functional. Okay, is it clear? The concept of buccal cavity, which is also known as oral cavity, the tongue, the palates. I hope all these concepts are very much clear to all of you. In our next topic, we will discuss about the teeth and stomach. Thank you.